The word geology means study of the earth. Geology is a primary earth science, and it looks at how the earth was formed, its structure and compositions, and the types of processes acting on it. It includes the study and investigation of Earth's minerals, soil, water, and energy sources. Additionally, it is concerned with the history of the Earth over the course of its 4.5 billion year life. Geologists work to understand this history so they can foresee how events and processes of the past might influence the future. At its core, geology is a multidisciplinary science that combines chemistry, physics, and mathematics to investigate an enormous variety of processes that occur on and in the earth. The first recorded dabbling in geology was by Aristotle and the ancient Greeks. These ancient philosophers wanted to understand natural phenomena, especially those impactful to human life, like earthquakes, volcanoes, and tidal waves. Geology has come a long way since the time of Aristotle and has many applications towards improving or protecting human life. For example, volcanologists, or geologists who study volcanoes, closely monitor active ones and create early warning systems to evacuate towns before any volcanic eruptions. Many geologists work in the resource industry, finding new places or developing new ways to extract minerals or energy without harming the environment. Others assess hazards to human life, like volcanic eruptions, as was mentioned earlier, slope failures, massive floods, and structural damage from earthquakes. Biologists interested in the evolution of life on Earth work closely with geologists in looking at the rock records to find fossils and footprints of organisms that are now extinct. Today, we are concerned about climate change. Many geologists are working to learn about the past climates of Earth and how they have changed across time. This historical geology information is valuable to understand how our current climate is changing and what the results might be. So as you can see, geology is not just about looking at rocks. It is rich and multifaceted. Depending on your interests, you might focus on soil, minerals, water, natural resources, or the atmosphere. There are certain skills one must possess to be a geologist. 1. Keen observation skills. Geologists must have a sharp sense of observation to quickly and effectively notice key features of the environment, survey sites, and determine what samples are needed for further investigation. 2. Analytical abilities. Geologists need a solid background in math, physics, and biology to formulate questions based on the scientific method and conduct effective experimentation and investigation. 3. Comfortable with technology. Geologists need to be proficient in operating and maintaining lab machinery such as microscopes and advanced computer programs, as many spend more time in the lab than in the field. And 4. Communication skills. Geologists must have strong written and verbal communication skills to complete grant applications, work with a variety of clients, and present their work at professional meetings. The minimum training required to become a geologist is a 4-year degree from a university specializing in earth science. In addition to core geology courses, a typical curriculum would include at least some entry-level interdisciplinary coursework in physics, chemistry, and math. Writing is also an extremely important subject to take, as you must be able to document and communicate your findings clearly. Pre-college students who are interested in becoming geologists should take courses such as English, advanced functions, calculus and vectors, chemistry, physics, and in some cases, biology. The average geologist salary in Canada is $122,000 per year, or $62 per hour. Entry-level positions start at $70,000 per year, while most experienced workers make up to $140,000 per year. Job prospects for geologists are strong and growing. Geologists in industry can get jobs in things like mining and mineral resources, petroleum exploration, and greenhouse gas sequestration. Geologists in private companies often get jobs in environmental consulting firms or in nonprofit organizations. Geologists in the government help explore and research natural resources like minerals or water. And geologists in education are middle and high school teachers, community college professors, or research professors. Geology offers an intellectually challenging and rewarding, wide-ranging career. It offers the opportunity to work in the field, in a lab, or at a desk. In most cases, the work of a typical geologist involves work in all three of these settings. The study of geology promotes observational skills, awareness of the whole Earth and all the interconnecting systems, and an understanding of data and maps. If you enjoy learning about the planet and are curious about how the landscape in which you live has come to be, geology may be for you.